Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Frontier 620. In this video, we're going to ride the elevators here in the parking garage on the Northern Illinois University campus in DeKalb, Illinois. These elevators were originally installed as Dover Impulse in 1993, but then seemed to receive a MADBS Moon mod a couple years ago. It's also involved, in addition of these CE electronics indicators up here, as well as inside the actual car. So unfortunately I missed my chance to film the impulses in their original form, but luckily YouTube user Northern Illinois Elevators, now Prospect Elevators, managed to get a video of these before they got modded. So if you want to check out that video, the link to it will be in the description. Anyways, with that said, let's take these elevators on a ride. As you can see, it's got a MADBS Moon button. It looks like we're going to get the left elevator. Now this elevator actually got stuck in a couple weeks ago due to it having a faulty interlock. So let's see how it's behaving today. And let's hope we don't get stuck in it. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, here it is. Before we take a ride, let's take a look up the shaft. Let me see up there quite well. Let's zoom in on it. There's the other car right there. And here you got the gears for the doors, aka the door operator. If the camera will decide to focus on it. Actually, I think it's focused decently. Here's looking beyond the door.
It's not working?
Oh, no, it is working. I just have to be someone who's into elevators.
No.
That's where I need to go to.
Oh, right. Simon, stasyon. Met na ya Julia lang ang fam Julia sa lifana. Dale.
So here up at 5. Doesn't seem like it's running too bad. So now let's go down to 1. Get a view going down. So here we're down at 1, and thankfully I did not get stuck in this. Another thing to point out is that they added sensors within the doorway, which seem to flash yellow. So now let's go to 5. Oh man, I hate the sound of those chimes. So now we should be getting the right elevator. Now, symbols on the doors were original from when these were impulse. But it's just the buttons, the indicator, and some other components of the elevator that were modernized. Another thing to point out is that this elevator has a CE electronics voice, which can be heard faintly. Now let's go with 5. We're up at 5. And while we're up here, let's get a view down the shaft. There's a random French fry there. I think someone had McDonald's and dropped the fry or something. Anyways, there's looking down the shaft from here. I'm not giving you guys anxiety from showing you the shaft at this angle. Focus. There we go. There's looking down to the pit from here. Can't really see it that well from this angle, but you can see a little bit of it. And you can also see into the shaft for the other elevator. It looks like the other elevators. I think the other one's parked at 5 too. Looking beyond the door. So here's looking up. You see a little better from the 5th floor than the 1st floor. So now we're going to go down to 1. And get our cat view. Here's Big Brother in the corner. Pretty basic elevator for a parking garage. I do wish I would have filmed it when it was original though, but oh well. Here's your floor indicator right there. Your emergency light and speaker. Fire service cabinet. Another security camera.
First floor.
Here are your buttons. Again, MADBS Moon. Here's your phone. And here's your inspection certificate. Another thing I want to point out about these elevators is that below the alarm and phone button, there seem to be these buttons labeled yes and no. Not sure what the purpose of them are, but they seem to be present on the COP. See if they do anything. It doesn't look like it. Maybe they're meant to be used when the elevator is not in regular service. Not too sure though. But I thought I might point that out for the hell of it. And now we're going to send this up to 5 and get a view of it going up. Hope you guys can see the car well enough. But now both cars are up at 5. And while they're up there, let's get a look at the pit. And I realize this video's gone for about 10 minutes. Don't worry, we'll end it shortly. But But I just want to show you guys the pit. There's a piston. These are in ground, of course. And here you got the buffers. Can't really see it too well because of the reflection, but yeah. There's a pit. There's a random broom there. It's probably used for It's probably used for maintenance when they clean the pit every now and then. Then you got some little ladder that I guess allows technicians to climb down to the pit. You got a clutch for the door. And here's the fit for the other elevator. Here's a pump leading to the cylinder, which then leads to the piston. And there's looking up. You got some blue components there, which is another indication that these used to be Dover. And yeah guys, so that's going to wrap it up for the video. Hope you all enjoyed, and that's going to be it.